Top 5 Best Slow Cookers. Number 5. Crock-Pot 6-quart Programmable Cook and Carry Slow Cooker with Digital Timer. 6-quart Cook and Carry Slow Cooker serves 7+ people. Digital countdown control lets you program cook times anywhere, from 30 minutes up to 20 hours. Shifts to warm setting automatically once cook time completes. Easy to use locking lid, featuring lid gasket, provides extra seal for less mess on the go. Removable oval stoneware is stylish for any table. All Crock-Pot slow cooker. Removable crockery inserts, without lid, may be used safely in the microwave, and the oven set up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you own another slow cooker brand, please refer to your owner's manual for specific crockery cooking. Medium tolerances. Works on 240 watts at 120 volt AC and 60 Hz.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 4. Cuisinart MSC 400 3-in-1 Cook Central 4-quart multi-cooker. Create one-pot meals your family will love with the Cuisinart Cook Central 3-in-1 multi-cooker. 3 fully programmable cooking functions let you sauté vegetables, brown meats, and slow cook your favorite comfort foods right in the unit. Skip the stovetop with combination cooking. Brown your ingredients in the unit and then simply switch to the slow cook function. Use the Cook Central to prep any aspect of your favorite dish. Select the steam function to prepare stuffed artichokes to start a gourmet meal, or to create a healthful vegetable medley side dish. The Cook Central can even do dessert. Extra large blue backlit LCD display with easy-to-read time and temperature settings. Glass lid with cool touch handle for clear view and comfortable handling. Steaming rack included. Instruction book. Limited 3-year warranty. Number 3. Ninja Multi-Cooker with 4-in-1 Stovetop Oven. Steam and slow cooker options. The Ninja 4-in-1 cooking system, with triple fusion heat technology, provides one-pot meals with fast, juicy, and flavorful results. 4 convenient cooking functions: oven, stovetop, steam, and slow cook bring one-pot multi-cooking to a whole new level for endless meal creations that are quick and easy to prepare. One pot with 4 cooking functions: stovetop, slow cook, oven, and steam. Unique heating elements let you sear, sauté, and slow cook all in one pot for easy cleanup. Bake in oven mode. Dry bake for chicken and roasts, and steam bake for delicious, moist cakes. Steam delicious and healthy vegetables, fish, and other delicate foods. Includes 6 quarts. Non-stick cooking pot, glass lid, steaming roasting rack, multi-purpose pan, and cookbook. Number 2. Proctor-Silex 33043 4-quart slow cooker. Enjoy hot, homemade meals with little planning or preparation with the Proctor-Silex 4-quart slow cooker. The perfect size for one-pot dishes, a small roast, or a 4-pound chicken. This slow cooker is ideal for no-fuss weeknight dinners, as well as special occasions. The heat adjusts from high to low, and the keep warm setting ensures your food will be the right temperature for serving. After cooking, the stoneware removes for easy serving and refrigerator storage. Both the glass lid and stoneware are dishwasher safe. Removable stoneware for easy cleaning. 4-quart capacity. Dishwasher safe stoneware. Keep warm setting. Dishwasher safe glass lid. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 33969A Slow Cooker. Not your mom's slow cooker. Smart technology allows you to cook a recipe to either a desired cooking time or specific temperature before automatically switching to warm when it's done. Patented temperature probe Place the temperature probe into large cuts of meat to cook to a precise temperature. The control panel will display the food's exact temperature as it cooks. Clip tight gasket lid. The lid clips securely in place, perfect for taking the slow cooker to a party, potluck or tailgate. The tight seal helps prevent messy spills along the way. Easy to clean, removable and dishwasher-safe crock and glass lid make cleanup simple, and power interrupt protection keeps slow cooker on during a brief power outage. 6-quart capacity. Spacious size is perfect for a 6 pounds chicken or 4 pounds roast.